Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the chapter number 7, that is Ria's train got late. I woke up. Our train halted at some platform. Means train wait its stop. That some platform I sat and looked outside from the window. Now she says that she saw outside the window there was a clock hanging on the wall. What she saw that there was a clock which was hanging on the wall. It was 5 o'clock in the morning. So what was the time? It was 5 o'clock in morning. Beside it on the pillar, Vadodara Junction was written in a circle board. My brother was still sleeping. What she says that beside the clock there was the pillar. On the pillar, what was written? It was written that is Vadodara Junction. And how it was written? It was written on a circle board. And his brother was sleeping. अब क्या हुआ, रिया उठ गई और उसकी ट्रेन इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे आके रुक गई। रिया ने खिड़की के बाहर देखा कि एक क्लॉक वहाँ लटका हुआ था जिसमें सुबह के 5 बज रहे थे। इसके अलावा एक पिलर पर वडोदरा जंक्शन लिखा हुआ था और रिया का भाई अभी भी सो रहा था। Now there was an instruction on mic that the trains running between Vadodara, Surat, Valsad, Vapi, Mumbai will be 2 hours late. Then Riya listened that there was announcement that the trains will be run for 2 hours late. Now what happened? Father said, brush your teeth, meanwhile I am getting tea for you. So her father says, you brush up your teeth so he will get tea for them. We completed all morning activities. At that time, father came with tea and mother took out thepla, khakra and biscuits for breakfast. So she says that she had done with our morning activities and meanwhile her father gets tea for them and mother took some thepla, khakra and biscuits for breakfast. When we completed our breakfast, it was daytime. So she says that after doing up everything, when they completed their breakfast, it was daytime. अब माइक पर एक अनाउंसमेंट हुआ जिसमें ये इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया कि वडोदरा, सूरत, वलसाड़, वापी, मुंबई रूट की जो ट्रेन्स हैं वो 2 घंटे लेट हैं। और रिया के पापा ने कहा तुम लोग ब्रश कर लो, तब तक मैं तुम्हारे लिए चाय लेकर आता हूँ। उन लोगों ने मॉर्निंग एक्टिविटी कर ली। तब रिया के पापा चाय लेकर आए और उनकी मम्मी ने ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए थेपला, खाखरा और बिस्कुट निकाले। जिस समय उन्होंने ब्रेकफास्ट कंप्लीट कर लिया तब सुबह का समय था। Still there was time for the train to start. Father said, come, I will show you the facilities of the railway station. My brother and I got off from the train. Now Riya says that we already know that the train was 2 hours late, means train will halt for 2 hours. So she says that there is still time train to leave. Upon that her father says that come with me, I will show you the facilities of railway station. And he says that come with me. He will show them facilities that they provided at railway station. My brother and I got off from the train. So Riya and her brother got off from the train. अब क्या हुआ, ट्रेन को चालू होने में कुछ समय बाकी था और उनके फादर ने कहा चलो मैं रेलवे स्टेशन की कुछ फैसिलिटीज़ दिखाता हूँ। तब रिया और उसका भाई ट्रेन से उतर गए। नाउ फादर showed us the facilities like ticket window, ticket checkers room, waiting room, parcel room, toilet bathroom, facility of drinking water, canteen, etc. on the platform. Now they got off from the train and what their father showed them. He showed them facility like ticket window where the ticket is purchased and ticket checkers room, and they also saw waiting room where the passengers wait for their train and parcel room where the parcels are kept, toilet bathroom, facility of drinking water that are provided on the platform, and also they saw canteen and also many other facilities this way on the platform. रिया के पापा ने उनको प्लेटफॉर्म पर कुछ फैसिलिटीज़ दिखाई. Now we saw many trains at the station from the bridge which was used for crossing one platform to another. She says that they saw the bridges. When we go to platform, there were many bridges for the passengers to go for one platform to another. And we saw the railway staff pouring water from carriages and cleaning the train. Some sweepers were cleaning the railway tracks. We had no idea how time flew during our visit the station. I came to know more about railway facilities. Indeed, it was enjoyable. I took photographs and videos of some facilities from my father's mobile. Now she says that what they saw more, they saw that the railway staff means some people that are working at railway staff. They were pouring water from carriages and cleaning the train, means they were cleaning the train, and also they saw some sweepers were cleaning the tracks. She says that they didn't got any idea how did the time flew off. She was enjoying by seeing the facility that were available on the train. They were provided by railway staff, and she also took some photographs and videos of the facility. From where did he took photographs? From her father's mobile. अब उन लोगों ने एक प्लेटफॉर्म से दूसरे प्लेटफॉर्म पर जाने वाले ब्रिजेस के ऊपर से बहुत सारे ट्रेन्स देखे. उन लोगों ने देखा कि रेलवे स्टाफ ट्रेन को साफ करने के लिए कैरेजेस में से पानी निकाल रहे थे. कुछ साफ सफाई कर्मचारी रेलवे ट्रैक साफ कर रहे थे. उन लोगों को पता ही नहीं चला कि स्टेशन पर घूमते घूमते समय कैसे बीत गया, कुछ पता ही नहीं चला. और रिया ने अपने पापा के मोबाइल से इन सब फैसिलिटीज़ के फ़ोटोज़ और वीडियो लिए. Now there was an instruction on mic that our train would leave Vadodara within 2 minutes. We got into our carriage. Train started. After they visited station facilities, now what happened again? There was an announcement that the train would leave Vadodara within 2 minutes. So they went into their compartment and the train started. And how was the atmosphere? It was morning. Atmosphere was very beautiful outside. अब 7 बज रहे थे। माइक में एक अनाउंसमेंट हुआ कि हमारी जो ट्रेन है वडोदरा यहाँ से 2 मिनट में चलेगी। हम लोग हमारे कंपार्टमेंट में चढ़ गए और जो ट्रेन थी वो चलना शुरू हो गई। सुबह का समय था और बाहर का जो नज़ारा था वो बहुत ही सुंदर था। Our train was passing level crossing where people were waiting on both the sides of crossing for the train to pass. So what Ria says, as they crossed the platform, the further what they saw that there was level crossing where on the both sides of the crossing people were waiting for the train to pass. अब हमारी जो ट्रेन थी वो लेवल क्रॉस को पास कर रही थी। इस लेवल क्रॉसिंग पे दोनों साइड पे लोग खड़े थे ताकि जैसे ही ट्रेन पास हो तो वो लोग इस क्रॉसिंग को वो क्रॉस कर लें। देयर buses, cars, auto rickshaws, cycles, scooter and goods trucks, etc. vehicles were waiting now on the both side of the crossing. Which vehicle did Ria saw? She saw buses, cars, auto rickshaws, cycle, scooter and good trucks. That way they carried with goods. अब इस लेवल क्रॉसिंग पे काफ़ी सारे व्हीकल्स खड़े थे। कौन कौन से व्हीकल्स थे? बसेस, कार्स, ऑटो रिक्शाज, साइकिल, स्कूटर एंड गुड ट्रक्स, ये सारे व्हीकल्स खड़े थे। सम पीपल डिड नॉट स्विच ऑफ द इंजन ऑफ देयर व्हीकल्स। ड्यू टू दिस देयर वॉज अ लॉट ऑफ स्मोक एंड नॉइस इन द एटमोसफियर. What Ria says, now as she saw many vehicles, so some people didn't switch off their engine of their vehicles, and due to as vehicle was on, so there was a lot of noise and smoke due to it, and atmosphere was not good. इस तरह ये लोग जो वेट कर रहे थे, इन लोगों ने अपने व्हीकल्स की इंजन को ऑफ नहीं किया था, उनके व्हीकल्स चालू थे। इसी वजह से वहाँ पे काफ़ी सारा स्मोक मीन्स धुआं और शोर था। सम पीपल वर क्रॉसिंग बिलो द बार्स ऑफ द लेवल क्रॉसिंग एंड स्टूड नियर इट। हाउ डेंजरस इट इज़। Again, what she says, what she saw that some people were crossing the bar, level crossing below the bar. See students, you might have seen that when the train passes through the level crossing, there are bars of the both sides of the tracks. Some people were passing below the bars and some stood near the bars. So how dangerous it could be for them to standing near the crossing. अब वहाँ पर जो लोग खड़े थे उन लोगों में से काफ़ी लोग तो इस तरह से बिहेव कर रहे थे कि कब ये ट्रेन जाए, और वो लोग ये लेवल क्रॉसिंग जो है उसके नीचे उन लोगों ने उस बार को ऑलमोस्ट वो लोग क्रॉस कर चुके थे और कुछ लोग तो बस नियर बाई क्रॉसिंग के खड़े थे कि कब ये ट्रेन जाए और हम इसे क्रॉस करें। और ये बहुत ही डेंजरस बात है। एट द सेम टाइम आवर ट्रेन क्रॉस्ड अनदर ट्रेन. Himaksh and I tried to count the carriages of one such train, but both trains were going very fast, so we could not count the carriages. Now, what she says, as the train was passing, so on the both sides of the train, another train crossed. So she and her brother started to count the carriages of one such train, but the speed of trains were very fast, so they could not count the carriages. अब क्या हुआ, उसी समय हमारी जो ट्रेन है उसने दूसरी ट्रेन को क्रॉस किया। तो मैंने और हिमांश ने दूसरी ट्रेन जो थी उसके जो डिब्बे थे उनको काउंट करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे कि दोनों की दोनों ट्रेन्स इतनी फास्ट जा रही थी कि हम उनको काउंट नहीं कर पाए।